Are you looking for the best small window air conditioners? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best small window air conditioners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. LG 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioners LW5023. LG Window AC LW5023 is perfect for small rooms, offering maximum cooling for up to 150 square feet. Enjoy the quiet operation with sound levels as low as 50 dB. The mechanical controls make it easy to adjust settings. Installation is a breeze with the included kit, and the slide-out filter allows for easy cleaning every 30 days, ensuring optimal performance. The washable filter captures particles, maintaining efficient dehumidification, while the multiple fan speeds and energy-saving function provide customizable cooling and lower electricity bills. What we like: fits small windows nicely. Very quiet operation. Simple installation. Effective cooling for small rooms. Good value for the price. Number 2. Frigidaire Window Air Conditioner FHWC063TC1. The Frigidaire 6000 BTU AC offers you a multi-speed fan with 3 fan speeds, providing you with more cooling options. This window air conditioner by Frigidaire is designed to cool your space efficiently and effectively. With its electronic controls, you can easily adjust settings to suit your comfort needs. The white color adds a sleek touch to your room decor, blending in seamlessly. The Frigidaire 6000 BTU AC is a reliable choice for keeping your room cool and comfortable during hot weather. What we like: effective cooling for small spaces. Easy installation. Lightweight and manageable. Long power cord. Quiet operation. Number 3. GE 6000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. The GE 6000 BTU AC is designed to cool small rooms up to 250 square feet, making it a great choice for bedrooms, offices, or studio apartments. You'll appreciate its quiet operation, which keeps the air cool without disturbing your sleep or work. With 3 different cooling modes and fan speeds, you can easily adjust the settings to find the perfect temperature for your comfort. Plus, the easy install kit lets you set up the unit quickly in a double-hung window, so you can start enjoying cool air right away. What we like: efficient cooling for small rooms. Quiet operation. Multiple cooling modes. Adjustable fan speeds. Easy installation. Number 4. Amazon Basics Window-Mounted Air Conditioner. The Amazon Basics Window-Mounted Air Conditioner is an energy-efficient air conditioning unit that cools rooms up to 150 square feet with standard 9-foot ceilings. It features 7 temperature settings, dual cooling and fan settings, adjustable air direction, and an inbuilt filter that can be easily removed, washed, and reused. The window mounting kit includes adjustable side panels that expand to fit standard windows. What we like: easy installation process. Effective room cooling. Affordable price. Simple mechanical controls. Washable filter. Number 5. GE 5000 BTU Window Air Conditioner. The GE 5000 BTU AC is designed to cool small rooms up to 150 square feet efficiently, making it perfect for bedrooms, home offices, or studio apartments. Its quiet operation ensures you can enjoy cool air without noise disturbance, ideal for a restful night's sleep. You can easily adjust the temperature with 2 cooling modes and 2 fan speeds, giving you control over your comfort. Plus, the included easy install kit makes setting up this unit in your window simple and hassle-free, so you can start cooling your space quickly and conveniently. What we like: strong cooling performance. Easy installation. Lightweight design. Quiet operation. Affordable price.